Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. Apparently, you can see it's raining in New York City. Rain or no rain, sometimes KG has to go out there to see grind. It's not easy. But while I'm grinding, doing my best to do what I'm doing, please support your boy. Even with the rain, you see the rain, it's raining, you can say, hey, KG, man, you work so hard, I'm going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Can I get 100 subscriptions through watching this video? But anyway, I'm going to be working on this 2015. I believe they are going to be the same thing. 2015 Jeep Compact Latitude. So the oil pressure switch is leaking. And, anytime it leaks, you see the engine, the light is coming on. So this is the part number. I bought it from AutoZone. Hope you can see right there. So we're going to be replacing it. It's in a difficult place to video, but I'm going to show you the process, what I did and what I'm going to do to take it out. I believe through my explanation, anyone can be able to do that job. Please consider subscribing, support your boy. Let's shout out Brooklyn. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. And if you need me to shout you out in whatever city or state you are, please hit me up and let me know. We're going to be shouting you out. California, shout out to all my friends in California. Peace. Brooklyn, we are going to do the job right now, KG. So for this job to be done, we have to take up this guy right here. So there are a couple of bolts on this, and then right here there's a, like I see right here, we're going to take out this. Once we take out that, we should be able to bring this guy out. Please bear with me. So this guy is going to come down. So just let it rest like this. Push it one side. So the oil switch is going to be somewhere around here. Sorry about that. Light is shining. So when you look down in here, follow my light now. If I can get the video. There's a green connector right in here. Let's see. Please bear with me. There's a green connector. See that? That green connector there. That's where, here we go. We got a barrel shot right there. Right there. See that green connector? You can see there's an oil on that switch there. See there? Anytime it's leaking, it can trigger some problems. So how we're gonna maneuver our way through there, through me holding the camera and working at the same time, is just going to be impossible. But whatever I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, I will explain to you. And when you're ready to do yours, you can be able to do it. Trust me, KG said that if anything, you know what to do. Hit me up. Let's go. So KGR, like I was showing you earlier on today, to replace that oil pressure switch. So it's very difficult for me to put my hand through here, and it's very difficult to put my hand through here because of this. The intake is right here. So what I'm going to do, I believe the best way to do this, which I'm going to tackle, maybe if you can do it another way, let me know too. We're all learning. I'm going to take off these 4 bolts. You can see I took off the oil filter already. I'm going to take off these 4 bolts surrounding this oil filter housing. Then I'm going to move this oil filter housing out of the way. I believe through there I will have enough room for me to sneak my hand through there, except if you have a little small hand, like a baby hand or whatnot, I'm not sure. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So let me remove that 4 bolts, then I'll bring you guys back, KG. So just make sure you have like an oil pan, something to catch the oil if there's any coming out. And then I took off the oil filter. Some came out of there, so I don't know if there's any more that's gonna come out of here. As you can see, right? Like I was saying. This is the best way to do it. There's any other way. Kids, you like to learn as well, you know me. I'm a learner. We all learn. You can't know it all. Just be mindful. If you're not comfortable of doing it like this, you can forget about that. But me, I know. You see now, we have access to where I want to go. So what was blocking me is not blocking me no more. See right there? So wouldn't that be the best way to do it if it was me? See right there? So now, you can go in there now and take off that. So the best way to do it. Just make sure the gasket, everything is still there. So let me go ahead and that's the best way to do it. So let me go ahead and take off that red pin and we'll continue. Once you take off that connector, you can use a 27 to break it loose. That was what I did. 27 on long flat, keep going there. Break that boy loose. As I said before, it's kind of on a tight spot to video. But KG is doing my best. Everything going against me here, the lights, the tools. You all can see everything falling in my face right now. Well, we're gonna do that. It's still tight a little bit. Let me go ahead and finish it up. Okay. So we can go ahead. There might be a little oil drip out too. Yep. That's the guy right there. The guy, so we're gonna clean up that connector and all of that and get the new one in there. So this is the new one that he bought from AutoZone, like I showed you guys earlier on. So that looks the same so far right here. So all we need to do now is just to look at the connector and turn it right and you look inside here. See, you got one pin. You can see this was really leaking back. You see leak inside the whole thing. So look at it right here. So that's the connector. It's a 1-pin connector right there. So this thing is been like a little pin that comes with it to make it not to leak. So as you guys, like I was showing you earlier on, you see that's the easiest way to do it. But if you're not comfortable taking out the oil filter housing, you don't have to do it. But it's very easy for both. Once you take it off, you can be able, except if you have a really tiny hand, like I said. But it's still gonna be tough. Trust me, this is gonna be the best way. Anyway, let me go back in there. You guys saw the way I took it out. So I might not be able to video it back, but when you can get to this point, trust me, you can do it. The first part number that I showed you from AutoZone, apparently that I couldn't thread that. I was having a problem threading it. So we have to go to Ash to buy another one. So this is the part number. See right there, PX468. So this one right here, I went to Ash to get it because the AutoZone one looked kind of funny, you know, in the surface. So this one right here is the real one that you have to buy. I already tried it and there's something threading easily. I just wanted to correct that. So I'm gonna go up there now and put it in and I'll show you guys. KG, right? All right, so you guys see I already put it in there. So I'm using this long 27 flat to tie it. The only problem is I won't be able to be showing it while I'm tying it at the same time. But at least you guys see it there. see what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and tie it. So as you can see, something is in there now. See right there? So everything looks good now. I'm gonna put this oil filter housing, and like I said, it's just easy. You have the whole thing for yourself. Your hand can go in there. Why? If this oil filter housing was there, you can't be able to go in there. It's easy like the way I'm doing. So as you can see, the housing is back in there now. So one thing I'll recommend as well, the engine is cold, because while I was doing mine, the engine is hot. So this bolt right here, the far left bolt there on the top there, is a little bit hard to get to, but it's doable. But when the engine is cold, you're gonna have more, you're gonna be able to do it much better than when it's hot, because you can get burned from the hotness of the engine. When the engine is cold, trust me, that's the best time to do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and untie that bolt there. Then we'll put this oil filter, top the oil, and then we'll put this cover right here, kg. So all of those bolts, they are all 13. Once you finish tying it, then we'll now put the oil filter and wrap up this whole thing. And the job is done. Now we're gonna start it. We're not gonna put the cover yet. We're just gonna start it, make sure that there's no leak. Everything is good, and we'll take it from there. So as you can see, everything looks nice, look clean. So we're gonna go ahead, start the car, make sure there's no leak, and put this cover, wrap up this whole thing. So I just went ahead to start the car. So I want to make sure I can be able to look down here, right there, make sure that there's no leak. As you can see, there's no leak. I'm gonna let it run for a while, and I'll pretty much complete this build. Like I said, this is your bed bed, taking them down or your filter housing is the best way to do it. KG said and standards. So we're gonna leave it like that, so I have to, it was raining today, so I have a spot that I normally come when it's raining or when it's snowing. I come on down into a little roof so I can work. So this is where I end up completing the job. So everything went well. Like I said, taking off the oil filter housing is the best way to go. KG said that. You know what to do. Please consider subscribing. Support me in any way you can. That's the way you continue to help this channel to grow. Like I said before, if you want me to shout out your city or your state, no matter where you are in the world, just hit me up. KG is going to shout you out. See you next time. Peace. Love you all. Brooklyn, shout out. We are gone.